lifeless. Watch this, someone in the main office, hanging out after hours, how obnoxious. Watching us on his monitor, preposterous. Time to wake the others, now we'll show him who the boss is. Call me Freddy, I'm the teddy with a temper. When I see a face like yours, I remember. Make it through the night, and I bet they'll give you tenure. Then you can be part of Freddy's family forever. Most of us got a major upgrade, so I hope you don't hate staying up late. If you're scared, give your resume an update, cause unless you quit, you'll still be making minimum wage. I come to life, you got no place to hide. Keep an eye on the time and alive by your side. You can try if you'd like to survive 5 more nights. Stick around, don't be shy. We're your friends, we'll show you why. Beware Mangle, he'll leave your brain scrambled. You can say he's got a couple wires tangled. He likes surprising you from a higher angle. Keep an eye above it, cause it's where he likes to dangle. We got a brand new Freddy Giovanni. You can bring balloons, boy, time to throw the party. Put your mask on, cause now the fun is starting. Don't keep it on long, it ain't full and foxy. Check the vents that we'll be crawling out the bottom of. If you got doors, now you oughta lock them up. Whoops, I forgot, you don't even got them. Keep the music playing or we're gonna have a problem. But don't relax once you have us distracted. We move around as sporadic as mechanical crackheads. We think on our own, no strings attached. If you don't believe that, ask the marionette.
Did you listen to the vision you saw? As the clock keeps ticking, we'll be giving you more. Do you remember the original four?
Take a look at us now, cause our condition is poor.
We were left to decay in this dark, troubled place. Too late to run away.
Just don't run out of double A's.
I come to life, you got no place to hide. Keep an eye on the time and alive by your side. You can try if you'd like to survive 5 more nights. Stick around, don't be shy. Just don't listen to the phone guy.
Hello? Hello? Wow, you made it this far. Honestly, didn't think you'd really ever get far. Don't worry, you've got nothing to fear. This is just the beginning of a thrilling career. Now, the animatronics are known to bug out.
Isn't that enough reason to get the f*** out? Listen up, guy, this gig ain't for me.
But we're having such fun and we'd hate you to leave. You might mistake us for hostile monstrosities, but accidents will happen when you got a lot of teeth. If you've got a birthday, let us make it bright. It's so exciting when a party stops by for a bite. I mean, we wait all night for the day to begin with a special surprise that we save for the end. If you don't already know how we like to make friends, then we'll show you now and you're gonna fit right in.
I come to life, you got no place to hide.